I'm still fucking with the Johnny Depp. Turn a beam on and gun you down cause I'm out of breath. You caught a beat on accident, you was not a threat. I ain't verified on Instagram, but I got a check.